Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to fix the D3dx934 DLL error. First, Google the error code and click Download. Go to the first working DLL file exchanger. Click Download. Let's get the latest version. Complete the CAPTCHA. Click Download again. Wait 10 seconds. The archive with the DLL file is downloading now. Move this archive to your desktop, then to Call of Duty folder. Just drop the DLL file here. That's it. This was Valor. Like and subscribe. Take care. Good luck and goodbye.